After inspection, approved pork legs are transferred onto automated stainless steel conveyor belts, keeping each cut separated and aligned. The conveyor gradually guides pork legs toward the washing zone, maintaining steady flow without sudden acceleration or mechanical stress. The conveyor system moves at a controlled speed, allowing pork legs to travel smoothly without bouncing or sliding. 27 stainless steel guards protect the conveyor path, keeping the pork legs isolated from external contaminants throughout the receiving phase.
Any pork leg showing bruises, discoloration, excess blood spots, or uneven fat distribution is immediately removed from the glazed ham processing line.
Check the fat layer on this one.
Just under a 1/4 inch.
Color consistency is perfect. Approved for premium.
Any irregular pork leg is automatically diverted off the conveyor into a separate inspection lane for further quality assessment. Laser measuring systems scan each pork leg, confirming thickness and length so the glaze later coats the ham evenly without pooling or dry patches. Any pork leg that shifts out of position is gently redirected by soft mechanical guides, preserving surface integrity for high-quality glazed ham results.
22 centimeters.
Meet specification. Apply the tag.
Spacing confirmed.
Looks good, send it through.
At transfer points, pork legs pass seamlessly between belt sections, avoiding drops or impacts that could deform the meat structure. 12 temperature sensors verify that each pork leg remains within safe cold chain limits, preserving meat integrity before seasoning and glazing stages.
All clear for processing. Confirming visual sweep complete.
Roger that. Initiating glaze sequence.
With inspection complete, the selected pork legs are cleared for conveyor transfer, marking the official start of large-scale glazed ham manufacturing.
With receiving complete, the properly aligned pork legs continue forward, ready for thorough washing and cleaning in the next glazed ham processing step.
The washing system uses controlled water temperature, preventing thermal shock that could affect pork texture before further glazed ham processing.
Automatic filters capture removed particles, preventing recirculation and maintaining hygienic washing conditions for every pork leg.
After the main rinse, a secondary low-pressure wash stabilizes surface moisture, preparing pork legs for controlled downstream handling.
42 temperature sensors confirm that pork legs remain within cold chain limits during washing, preserving freshness and structural integrity.
Any pork leg showing abnormal residue or surface defects is flagged by vision systems for additional inspection or removal. With washing complete, the pork legs advance steadily toward optical sorting and quality scanning in the next phase of glazed ham production.
High-resolution cameras scan each pork leg from multiple angles, detecting discoloration, surface defects.
50 infrared sensors measure internal density variations, helping identify hidden bruises or temperature inconsistencies within the pork leg muscle structure. The scanning system tracks muscle grain direction, ensuring pork legs maintain structural integrity required for uniform glazing and cooking later. Conveyor speed synchronizes with camera capture rates, preventing motion blur and guaranteeing accurate inspection results for every pork leg.
Any pork leg showing abnormal readings is automatically marked in the system, allowing targeted removal without interrupting glazed ham production flow.
Quality data from each pork leg is stored digitally, creating a complete inspection record linked to the final packaged glazed ham product. Thresholds are stable across the board.
Confirmed. Scanning continues.
59. Periodic calibration checks ensure cameras and sensors maintain accuracy despite humidity, temperature, and lighting variations inside the factory. The optical system confirms uniform size and surface condition, preparing pork legs for precise trimming and preparation stages.
63, 6 update Windows with Alpha Summit 3 2.
Next one, move it down. Okay, this one is ready for inspection.
79. With trimming complete, the pork legs are officially prepared for controlled seasoning and glazing steps that define final glazed ham quality.
Trimming focuses on preserving muscle structure, ensuring the pork leg remains intact and balanced without cutting into core meat fibers.
67. Any remaining connective tissue or loose fragments are carefully removed to prevent texture irregularities during later glazed ham cooking stages.
Gíralo hacia ti. Así está bien.
The cooked pork legs pause briefly in temperature-controlled holding zones, preventing sudden cooling that could stress the meat structure. 17. Infrared sensors monitor glaze temperature and viscosity, ensuring proper adhesion before the ham enters the cooling phase.
Each glazed ham is positioned carefully into food-grade packaging trays, preventing surface contact that could damage the glossy outer coating.
Removed trimmings are collected separately and documented, ensuring full material accountability within the Glazed Ham Factory workflow.
Stainless steel supports keep each pork leg stable, avoiding pressure points that could affect shape during subsequent handling. Specifications match.
approved for glazing.
Any pork leg not meeting preparation standards is rerouted for corrective trimming, avoiding downstream processing issues.
Automated injection systems deliver measured curing brine into the pork leg muscle, ensuring even distribution without damaging internal meat structure.
The curing solution contains salt, sugar, and approved flavor components, precisely.
After injection, pork legs move into rotating tumblers that gently massage the meat, improving brine absorption and texture consistency. Temperature inside the curing chamber remains strictly regulated, keeping pork legs within safe, cold conditions during flavor infusion. Once curing reaches target levels, pork legs exit the tumbling system with visibly firm texture and evenly infused seasoning. A brief resting period allows curing ingredients to stabilize within the pork leg muscle before thermal processing begins.
93 quality checks verify curing uniformity, ensuring no areas remain under-seasoned or excessively treated.
With curing complete, the pork legs advance toward controlled cooking stages that will set texture before final glazing. 97 stainless steel racks support each pork leg, ensuring even heat exposure without contact pressure that could distort shape during thermal processing.
Sensors continuously monitor internal pork leg temperatures, ensuring food safety standards are met without overcooking the meat.
The gradual cooking process stabilizes muscle fibers, giving the ham its characteristic density required for later glazing and slicing.
We need to stabilize the humidity levels on the second batch.
Agreed. Making the adjustment now?
Target achieved. 160 degrees internal.
Confirmed. Recording lot 08.
Any pork leg not meeting exact cooking parameters is diverted for additional thermal adjustment or inspection.
With thermal setting complete, the pork legs transition toward glazing preparation, marking a key transformation point in glazed ham manufacturing.
Point 23. Any pork leg showing glaze irregularities is redirected for surface correction before final packaging.
"25 stainless steel guides realign the glazed hams, maintaining orientation for downstream handling. 27. With glazing and cooling complete, the finished glazed hams advance toward packaging preparation in the final production stage.
When orders are released, pallets are transferred to refrigerated loading docks for outbound transportation.
41 refrigerated trucks maintain consistent cold conditions, preserving glazed ham quality during regional and international delivery.